was the sixth club with women. But that just made us more determined than ever to charter this club. So within 2 weeks, we found 20 new members, 20 new cool dudes and hot babes to join RCMD, much to the governor's surprise. So he no longer had any excuses to disallow the charter of RCMD. Although at that time we felt we were being blocked, in retrospect, the governor's prohibition turned out to be one of the RCMD's advantages, since the increased number could actually have been one of the factors that led to the viability and stability of the Rotary Club of Makati Dasmariñas, because we started with 50 members. So Rotary Club, yeah, there's always strength in numbers. So the Rotary Club of Makati West under President Ed Alvarez was our mother club, with Mark Javier as the district governor's special representative to support us in building our club.